Welcome back to Python for Beginners, Lesson 3 Operators. Let's do some examples. Let's start with a less than operator. I will create an x variable and assign the value 5, and create a y variable and assign the value 10. Now let's do the output as normal. Okay, let's do the less than. Let's compare the x and y variable and see what's the output. As you can see, x is less than y, and that results in the value true. Let's move on to the greater than operator. Okay, we already created a variable x and y, so let's just do the test. So let's output the variable again and see x is greater than y. If that is true, okay, that is false. So we can actually do another example where we actually say the opposite. We actually say y is greater than x. Then you'll see it's true. Let's move on to the equal operator. So we already got x. Let's assign it again to 5. Y equals 5 and create another variable. Z equals 10. Let's do a printout. Okay, now we're gonna do two comparisons. We're first gonna compare if x is equals to y. Then we do another comparison to see if x is equal to z. Okay, let's run it. Okay, we clearly know that x and y is equal and z and x is not equal, so it's false. Okay, let's try out the not equals operator. Okay, so it's the same variables, same values. We can just print out that, and we can just say print x is not equals to y, and print x is not equals to z. So x is not equals to y is false because x and y is equals to 5, and x is not equals to z, it's true because x is 5 and z is 10. Okay, let's test the AND operator. So let's create variables again, or assign new values to the same variables. So x is equals to 5, y is equals to 10, and z is equals to 15. So let's do another print out. So let's create two comparisons or two conditions. Let's say x is less than y. X is less than y and y is less than z. Print x is less than y and z is less than y. Okay. So the first condition is true because x is less than y and y is less than z. So that is true. So here we say x is less than y, that is true. Z is less than y, that is not true, that's why it's false. Okay, let's test the OR operator. We will use the same variables with the same values. So we can just create the conditions. So print x is greater than y, or y is less than z. And let's do x is greater than y, or z is less than x. Okay, so the first condition is true because x is greater than y. That is definitely false. Y is less than z, so that is true. X is greater than y. That is false. Or z is less than x. That is false. That's why the answer is false. Thank you for watching. I hope I see you in the next video.